Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to slow down, speed up and freeze your footage on Adobe Premiere CC. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first I'm gonna show you how to freeze your footage. First of all, I have here a video that I'm gonna do the tutorial on. And to freeze your footage, all you have to do is to position the time marker where you want to freeze your frame, and then I want it right here, and then right click on it and go to insert frame hold segment, and this will insert a 2 seconds frame hold at the time marker position. And to make the hold frame longer or shorter, all you have to do is to hold the control key on the keyboard and go to the end of the hold frame clip and click and drag to the right if you want to make it longer. And if you want to make it shorter, drag to the left. Let's now see the results. Let's play it. As you guys can see, it's perfectly done. Now I'm gonna go to the speed of the footage, but first let's undo that by pressing on the keyboard Control and Z. And now I want to show you how to speed up your footage, and to do that, right click on the clip and go to speed or duration. And as you guys can see here, we have the speed at 100, which is the normal speed of the video. And if we want to make it faster, I want to make it like 200, and let's press OK. And as you guys can see, the duration of the video is smaller now. And that is because what Premiere does to our video, it deletes the half of the frames. So for example, instead of going to frame 1 to frame 2, it cuts frame 2 and go to frame 3. And instead of going to frame 3 to frame 4, it cuts frame 4 and go to frame 5. So let's now play it to see how the results are. As you guys can see, it's fast and we don't have any problems with it. But if I want to slow down the footage, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna right click on it, go to speed and duration, and let's just make it like 50% and press OK. And as you guys can see, the video is longer because what Premiere does, it repeats the frames, so that will make it longer and will make it as a slow motion video. So I'm gonna play it so we can see the results. As you guys can see, it's really slow, and sometimes you might have problems with like motion blur on the movement if your clip is not filmed like in a slow motion camera, like in 60 frame per second video. So how you can fix that is by right click on the clip and go to the speed or duration and change the time interpolation into the optical flow and click OK. But in my situation, I have a perfect video that is filmed for slow motion, so I won't need that. So guys, that is pretty much it. So if you want to do the speed ramping, which is like sometimes the video is really fast and then slows down and then gets fast again, that is really simple, and I'm gonna explain it in another video, and I'm gonna make a tutorial for it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to get the video. And guys, that is pretty much on how to freeze, slow down and speed your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I would really appreciate if you can smash that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.